Okay, well, welcome to another video on a product review. This case it's the King's Premium Fire Pit and the King's Premium Fire Pit Grill. So this is an unboxing, although I've taken them out of the box already, a setup and my initial thoughts on it. Now, if you've watched my channel, you've seen that I have the King's Premium Potbelly Stove. I've also had the King's normal Potbelly Stove. I still have the King's Premium Potbelly Stove and I'm not going to get rid of it. I have just transferred it across to the caravan because it's easier to manage in my caravan. It is very heavy for me. I have problems with my shoulders and also my forearms in lifting heavy objects, henceforth the canoe that I've got now. So this is just easier for me to manage inside my camper trailer. So from what I look at, it looks good. I've seen a couple of reviews on them. So anyway, I'll get it set up and we'll have a look at it and then we'll get it lit and we'll see how it performs once the fire's going in it. Well, there it is set up. It probably took longer than expected because I had a real hard time getting these latches to come up. 3 of them on the first time, so I had to get a teaspoon under there because I couldn't find a screwdriver, but they latch in there, so seems nice and solid. Certainly a good sized pit, and the grill seems steady enough. It is adjustable. You've got 3 heights here, 1, 2, 3, so you can adjust it. So anyway, I'm going to get a fire going in it, and I'll take the grill off it because I won't need that until tonight. I'll get a fire going in it and see how it puts out what kind of heat. Well, fire's going quite well now, although it is full of ash because I burnt the cardboard boxes that the product came in. But it's starting to fire up now, so I've got my little kettle going there, so we'll just see how that goes in cooking. And we'll just test it out further on tonight with the camp oven. I've got a lamb shank I'm going to cook up. So far it's sitting there quite nicely and it's putting out quite a lot of heat. So it's been going for a while now, and I burnt all the cardboard from the boxes and that choked it chock-a-block. You can actually see all the cardboard on the ground out there, but look, it's wood, it burns. And I've put the grill on and I boiled my cuppa, and that came out well. I like the fact that there's the grill line over there, that once you put that on the grill stand, you don't actually have to take it off. You just take the grill out and you can put all the wood in there. So that is a great feature, that you're not lifting this off and lifting that on. You just put that grill on and off as needed. So that is really good. So far the fire is nice and hot. It's drawing well. It's got a good fire going. We'll just have to wait and see how it cooks tonight. I seriously doubt there's going to be any problems with it. But so far so good. My initial thoughts on this here is, you know, the King's one. I'd say Darchi was the one that came up with it first, and it's a remake of it, and it's a lot cheaper than the Darchi, I'll admit that. Is it as good a quality as a Darchi? Well, I don't own a Darchi, so I don't know. So far it's been really good. Yeah, loving it. So anyway, we'll see what it cooks like tonight, and then we'll make a conclusion tomorrow. So we have there the camp oven on top of the grill. at this stage it seems to be going quite well. Yeah, I can see a bit of heat rising in through that, so we'll just keep a bit of an eye on that. But so far, very impressed with this unit. Okay, well, I've used the fire pit now, the King's stainless steel folding fire pit, for about 24 hours. And these are my thoughts on it after that time. I love it. It is really, really good. It's easy to set up. It's light. The fact that you've got this part here that you can cook on. And the good part about that is you don't have to take that off to try and get some wood in, which would be harder. So all you got to do is actually take that out, put it aside. You can get wood in there, and you just put that back on. It's a large cooking surface. I haven't cooked meat on it yet because I didn't do that last night. I had my camp oven. You can put a camp oven on it. Seems to work all right. So yeah, I'm liking it. I'm not going to say it's better than the King's potbelly stove because I think they've each got their own purpose. I'm not going to get rid of I'm not going to get rid of the potbelly stove. Like I said, I've transferred it across to my caravan and it can live in there and I use it out of that. The only part that I don't like about that is the fact that it is very heavy. And it's a little bit more setup time, especially with the legs being screw in. Anyway, that's my thoughts on this one. So I'm going to continue using it. So that's it for this video. If you like these videos that I do on gear reviews, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.